In PastPerfect 4.0, letter writing was improved by including a new word processing option to allow different choices of font styles, colors, bullets, as well as the easy addition of fields to mail merge letters. PastPerfect 5 has improved this feature again by interfacing with your Microsoft Word program to create and print your letters. To use this function, you must have Microsoft Word installed on each computer using PastPerfect 5. To show how to use Microsoft Word in creating your letters, I'm going to go back to Setup and then go to Contacts. Then I'll click on the Mail Merge Letters button on the sidebar. To create a new mail merge letter, I'm going to click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and then type in the title of my new letter. For this sample letter, I'm going to call it Summer Concert. When I click on Add, the new letter name will display in our letters list. I can then highlight the name and click on the Compose selected letter. Before I type in the body of the letter, I want to show you 4 new fields that we will use for our mail merge letters. In our letter, you will notice that we have a new field box called ADDR Box Contacts. This field will automatically plug in the name and title, company, and address fields from your contact record onto the letter. You no longer have to include each individual field for address, city, state, and zip on your letters, which will ensure that your addresses are spaced and printed consistently. If you browse on the left-hand side for the fields to insert on your letter, you will also see the ADDR box Mem Billing, Dear Contacts, and Dear Mem Billing. For general contact letters, you can use the Contacts address box and Dear fields. For letters going to members, you might find that the Mem Billing fields work easier for you. They will automatically use the alternate billing address for a membership if available, or use the Contacts address. Summer and winter addresses are automatically populated using the Contact or Mem Billing options. Okay, I'm going to pause our recording for just a minute to enter in the body of our letter. Now that I have the body of the letter done, I can now insert the Summer Concert series header. To start, I need to locate the letterhead image on my computer. Once I have located the file, I will need to go to my C drive, open the PP5 folder, open the Letter Images folder, and copy and paste the image into this location. Once I have the image copied, I can go back into my letter in PastPerfect. Using the Microsoft Word option to insert my picture, I need to locate the image in my PP5 Letter Images folder and single-click to select the image. Next, I will need to click the down arrow on my Insert button. There will be an option to link to file. Using this option will now connect the image from my Letter Images folder to my mail merge letter. Attaching the letterhead as a linked image keeps the file size of my Word document to a minimum because the image is not embedded into the file. This also gives me a single location to use my letterhead image for other mail merge letters, as well as donation, accession, and temporary custody thank you letters. Once my image is inserted, I can now save my letter by clicking the Close button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I will say yes to save my changes. This letter is now able to be printed from a contact record or from contact list, which we will discuss in the next chapter. For more information about creating letters, please review Chapter 22 or call our support office.